Do you want to learn about herbivorous animals? We delve into the world of these fascinating creatures in this video by the Daily Eco. Characteristics of herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals, also known as primary consumers in the food webs of ecosystems, are any species of animal that primarily feeds on plants. This includes consuming various plant pods, such as leaves, stems, and roots, as well as their seeds, flowers, sap, and fruits. These plant-eating animals reside in nearly every ecosystem on the planet, depending on the ability of plant resources from which they can derive the energy they need to survive. From grasslands and forests to mountains, savannas, jungles, wetlands, and even aquatic ecosystems, you'll find herbivorous animals of various sizes and from various animal groups, including both vertebrates and invertebrates. The ability to digest cellulose, a complex carbohydrate found in plant cell walls, presents a significant challenge for herbivorous animals. To overcome this, they have evolved specialized digestive systems that rely on the assistance of microorganisms within their stomachs. These microorganisms break down cellulose into simpler molecules that can be absorbed and utilized for energy. Based on the distribution of their cellulose digesting organs, herbivorous vertebrates are classified into two main categories: monogastric and polygastric. Monogastric herbivores have a single-chambered stomach, while polygastric herbivores have a multi-chambered stomach, typically with 4 chambers, each with distinct functions in the digestion process. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. What is a common feature of the dentition of herbivorous animals adapted to eating plants? Pointed and sharp teeth for tearing flesh, long and conical teeth for grinding plant material, developed canine teeth for capturing prey, carnivore teeth for tearing flesh. Think about it carefully, because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Classification of herbivorous animals. Herbivores exhibit diverse classifications based on their digestive systems and dietary preferences. Polygastric herbivores, or ruminants. These herbivores possess a complex 4-chambered stomach. Each chamber plays a specialized role in cellulose digestion, enabling them to effectively break down plant fibers. Monogastric herbivores. In contrast, monogastric herbivores have a single-chambered stomach, relying on fermentation to digest cellulose. Herbivores' dietary preferences span a wide range, with specific groups specializing in particular plant pods. Phytophagous herbivores consume herbs and grasses, while frugivores focus on fruits. Folivores primarily feed on leaves, while granivores specialize in seeds. Nectarivores, like hummingbirds, rely on nectar for energy, and pollinivores, like bees and butterflies, consume pollen. Xylophages, such as termites and some insects, break down wood to obtain nutrients. Examples of herbivorous animals. Giraffes, despite their towering height and presence in carnivorous-dominated environments, are herbivorous. Their long necks allow them to reach for leaves from tall trees, with acacia leaves being their main source of nourishment. Their impressive size and the aggressiveness they display during territorial disputes or breeding seasons make them formidable herbivores. This characteristic is shared by other large herbivores like elephants and hippopotamuses. Examples of herbivores include horses, hares, squirrels, deers, cows, butterflies, and hummingbirds. And going back to the question we asked you before, the correct answer is B. Herbivorous animals typically possess long, conical teeth that assist them in cutting and grinding plant matter, such as leaves and stems. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments what other examples of herbivorous animals you can think of. And until next time.